Progress. It isn't something you can hold on to. It's something you have to keep creating. In this world, nothing stays the same for long. And that certainly applies to the manufacturing industry. Because what works today can become tomorrow's limitation, faster than ever before. Organizations reach the point where existing systems, habits, and technologies stop delivering growth, efficiency, and the promise of a bright future. We believe staying ahead starts with thinking ahead. We are PDM, the strategic transition partner for the European manufacturing industry. At PDM, progress doesn't start with doing more. It starts with seeing differently. The real challenge isn't the issue right in front of your eyes. It's the one you can't see yet. While others optimize what already exists, we challenge how things are truly connected. As trusted advisors and organizational developers, as excellence bringers and hands-on engineers, as the guide you lean on, offering direction and the freedom to advance. We know how to transform challenges into progress, and by sticking together, seeing further, and aiming higher, we set course to industrial excellence together. PDM, guiding excellence.